Hi everyone, this is day 48 of my 60 days English speaking challenge, and today let's learn three more English words. So let's start. So the first word is hedonistic. Hedonistic means focused on pleasure and enjoyment. Let's take an example. A hedonistic attitude can sometimes ignore responsibilities. Second word, carved. Carved means to cut or shape something carefully. Let's take an example. She carved her own path through hard work. Third word, sagacious. Sagacious means wise and intelligent with good judgment. Example, a sagacious leaders make thoughtful decisions. So always remember, smart vocabulary makes you sound smarter. So always keep learning. See you tomorrow.